All right, this is a 2018 Ford Escape right here. This bad boy. Could you give me a like down there, please? Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. All right, I'm going to show you how to turn on the hazard lights, also called the flasher lights, okay? So I'm in the driver's side part of the vehicle, right? I am going to look towards the middle, okay? This middle console. And do you see this triangular shaped icon right here? Okay, this is a button, okay? I'm going to press the button, and the hazard lights or the flashers come on, and you can see by the indicators on the dashboard, you see them flickering like that, right? You see them flickering. Okay, the hazard flashers, parking flashers are blinking. That means that they're on. Now to turn them off, I'm going to go back to the center and I'm going to press this. Boom, the hazard lights are off. Now that's how you turn on and off the hazard lights on the 2018 Ford Escape. Don't forget to give me a like. Thanks a lot for watching.